شمبابا وبرونا وروخة قدش العالمين آمين. قالت مكرستا دبهرة من مدنخة قرياتي ومن البانوتا من كتاوة قديشة ومن بوشاقي وتشعيات تآوهات قديشة تعيت مدنخة وكل ملباني تعيتات شليخاية تي ولاية.
Chapter number 2. God is one and not many. That the maker of this world is one and not many is proved by the fact that it is impossible that many can possess one perfect, unchangeable, self-conscious will, because they must either be co-equal in essence and in everything apparenting to their, which would destroy plurality by the non-existence of distinction, and anything distinguishing, just as it is inconsistent to conceive of the existence of the two blackness, alike in every respect and not distinguishable, and having but one of the same substance, or they must be distinct from each other in essence, and in all the appurtenance thereto, for they would be contrary and destructive for each other, but consubstantially could not exist between two opposing makers, nor could a perfect work proceed from them. For they must be alike in essence, and distinct in what obtains to them, each one having an appropriate quality by which he is distinguishable from his associates, when they would all be compounded of these things in which they are alike, and of those in which they are distinguishable. But every compound thing is made, and must have a maker and compounder. Hence results the truth of the declaration, the Lord is our God, is one God, noted in Deuteronomy 6, verse 4. And through there be gods many, and lords many. To us there is only but one God, also referred in the 1 Corinthians chapter 8, verses 5 and 6.